The Sabbath day was now over. It was dawn on the first day of the week. Mary Magdalene and the other Mary went to look at the tomb. There was a powerful earthquake. An angel of the Lord came down from heaven. The angel went to the tomb. He rolled back the stone and sat on it. His body shone like lightning. His clothes were white as snow. The guards were so afraid of him that they shook and became like dead men.
The angel said to the woman, "Do not be afraid. I know that you are looking for Jesus who was crucified. He is not here, he is risen. Just as he said he would. Come and see the place where he was lying. Go quickly, tell his disciples. He has risen from the dead, and he is going ahead into Galilee. There you will see him. Now I have told you." So the women hurried away from the tomb. They were afraid, but they were filled with joy. They ran to tell the disciples. Suddenly Jesus met them. "Greetings," he said. They came to him, took hold of his feet and worshipped him. Then Jesus said to them, "Do not be afraid. Go and tell my brothers to go to Galilee. There they will see me."
As winter turns to spring and this term ends at Easter, it's the perfect time to rekindle our hope for the future. It has certainly been a challenging past 12 months for us all individually and collectively. Our thoughts and prayers are with everyone who has suffered as a result of COVID-19, and also those who have struggled in other ways. Just as the Easter story contains sorrow and loss, it is ultimately about hope and renewal. We have much to be proud of as a school community and lots to look forward to next term and beyond. During this term, this past session, this past 12 months, we have truly connected with what is most important about our school, its people. The teachers and staff who have worked so diligently to ensure we've continued to deliver the best service possible in whatever circumstances we found ourselves in. I'm particularly grateful to those who went above and beyond for their being driven by their care for young people and their families. To the parent community, including the Parent Council, who've all demonstrated patience and understanding and shown their own gratitude for what we've done for their children. And for our young people, I say to you directly, well done and thank you. Thank you for hanging in there, for trying your best, for reaching out when you were struggling, and for being there for each other. I'm very proud of you all. You are the hope, the next generation, who will make this world that we live in a better and fairer place for everyone. So stay hopeful, stay positive, in the good times and the bad. There is much to appreciate in the here and now, and so much to look forward to. I hope everyone in our school community has a good Easter break. I offer you all our very best wishes, and I offer you hope.
Hope is believing that tomorrow will be better than today.
To me, hope means believing in a brighter and better future, I suppose, one that's different from the past year we went through.
L'espoir fait vivre.
I hope that we can spend time with friends and family again soon.
I hope that everyone is happy and healthy after the holidays.
Hope is the expectation that things are going to get better, and I hope they do.
Hope is a desire for things to change for the better.
I hope that we can all get back to playing sports soon.
Hope is knowing that even though things might not be the way that you want them to be just now, it's believing that they will get better at some point in the future.